Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. Stop thinking that IQ is just about test. It's not. Real intelligence is in the teeny secret habits you use every single day. And if you do even a few of these seven things, you have a mind that works on a higher level. And this is not a theory, this is proof. So ready to see the signs of your high IQ? So let's go. So first of all, the first habit is that they obsess over small details others miss. Like most people see the surface, but they see the tiny things that don't fit. Their brain is a pattern finder and it automatically looks for flaws or connections that other might ignore. And that focus on detail is a huge sign of a mind built for solving complex problems. Habit number two is that they routinely cancel low value plans. They might feel bad for a second, but they know their focus is too important to waste on boring and low energy people or events. They protect their time firstly. And this is not being rude. It's a sign of a brain that prioritize its highest goal over social pleasing. Habit number three is that they talk to themselves. When they are in deep thought, they might mumble to themselves, asking question or explaining an idea. They are using their voice to organize and process complex thought. And this is a sign of deep thinking, not confusion. Habit number four is that they can explain hard ideas very simply. Anyone can use big and confusing words, but a truly intelligent person can take a difficult concept and explain it so simply that anyone can understand it. And this proves that their mind has grabbed the idea at its core truth. Habit number five is that they actively seek their own mistakes. They don't hide their errors or blame others. They hunt them down and ask for honest feedback. Why? Because their brains see the mistake as a free and fast lesson. This desire for growth is a powerful sign of intelligence. Habit number six is that they prefer quiet and alone time to recharge. After a busy day, their mind needs silence. They crave space to organize their thoughts and connect ideas. And this quiet time is where their mind does its best, highest level work, generating insights that seems to come out of nowhere. And habit number seven is that they ask why not more than why. Most people ask why is this way, but they ask why not try to completely a different way. They constantly challenge the rules and the normal path. And this is why not mindset is the engine of all progress and brilliant creativity. So if you recognize these habits, never doubt your mind again. These are not quirks. They are your secret powers. And tell me that which habit surprised you the most. Drop the word genius in the comment section below. And hey, I want to see you win. If you want more of this powerful, simple talk to unlock your potential, hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.